Guys, good morning. This is now the front side of the building. Guys, what are you doing, guys? You're doing?
Playing.
Ah?
Playing.
Okay, that's it. Oh, this is engineer. Okay, the workers are very busy. Okay, this is the front side of the building. So I will rotate. I will go around the building. This is the right side, and this is the inside of the building. This is the right side. This is the right side of the building. Okay, this is inside the building. Okay, what are you doing, guys?
Butang kukuan.
You put
PVC pipe.
you put PVC files, okay.
Pipe.
Pipe. Oh. He put PVC pipe. Okay. Oh, what is this, guys? This room?
CR.
Okay, this is CR according to the worker. I will proceed now. This is another portion of the building.
Sir, good morning.
Okay, good morning, and how are you?
Okay, sir.
How are you today? Oh, this is engineer.
Ha?
He is watching. He's watching the workers. Okay, another room. Another room inside. What is this in Bisaya? In English, Bisaya? Kini, this one.
Wala para CR.
Septic tank. What is this, engineer, in Bisaya?
PVC.
PVC.
PVC pipe for the laboratory and sink.
Okay, thank you, engineer, for the clarification. Okay, this is engineer. He's watching.
Shower area.
Okay, he's watching the area of the building. Okay. What is that, guys?
Panambak.
Okay, for flooring purposes. Okay, very busy. So I will go out now. I will go out now and see another. Oh, what is this, guys? What is this, guys?
Tanki.
Water tank. You're very busy. You are not answering my question. Oh, they are very busy. This is the back side of the building. Okay, the workers are very busy. This is for water tank. Okay, and after that, I will rotate again to the left side of the building. This is the left side of the building, and this is the back side. Oh, the engineer will monitor. The engineer will monitor the fellow workers, the workers to work.
Sakto nga, siguro na.
Okay, what is that, guy?
Ay, sir, good morning.
What?
Inabong taitang.
Septic tank.
Used for?
Domes.
Septic?
Septic tank.
Okay, very good.
Tae.
For the domes.
For the
For the man. Man or woman.
man or woman.
Kamaupot.
Oh, kamao ka to. Okay, what is that, guy?
Para tambak ni so guys.
Okay, para
Kailangan
tambak
magbangap.
purposes. This is the right, the left side of the building. Oh, they are very busy. They are very busy. Okay, the engineer is watching and monitoring the workers. Okay, the sand and gravel, the hollow blocks. Okay, this is the left side of the building and the front side of the building. Thank you for watching.